What's up YouTube? So guys, umpisahan na natin. Actually, natapos na natin yung isang valve dito. Okay. So, before natin tinira, ang itsura nito is ganito. So, talagang ano siya, no? Hindi siya nagpapagod sa kanyang valve sets. So, natin tayo using grinding piece. This one. Ito muna yung unahin natin dito. And then pagkatapos service, dito na titira para maging pino talaga. Yung mga grinding face ang gagamitin natin. So, ang resulta, ito na. Okay? So, kung saan nyo po nalala, o kung saan nyo tinira yung yung kanyang valve, doon din ninyo ilagay like dito. Huwag nyo po siyang ipalit-palit dahil naka-sit up na po yan siya, no? So, yan. Ang ginagamit natin dito is kasi pagka ganito lang yung gamit mo by hand, it's very tiring. So you need like this one here, and then so you gotta just control the rotation of the grinder para hindi ka mahirapan. Okay, so sikap lang sa atin. So since nagamitan na natin ang course na ito, nagamitan na natin dito. Unang tirada natin dito, first tira natin is ito. And second one is yung kanyang pinong-pino na grinding face. This one here. This one here. So ito yung pinaka-last na gagamitin natin. Patapos na din ito. So guys, lagyan na natin ang grinding piece here, just like that. And then since wala tayong oil, itong cooking oil po ito. For the meantime, gagamit yan ng cooking oil dahil pang ano lang, pang padulas lang sa kanyang valve. Just to lubricate the valve blade here, just to add it. If you have oil, so very good. If you have just using oil. This is something so here, control the rotation, control the movement of the grinding rod. So like that. Pwede nyo bilisan but pag masyadong mabilis medyo ano siya tatanggal. So alalay lang like that. time nyo po siya. Like mga 5 to 10 minutes. Like grinding. Siya na pagkatira. Ayan. Ayan, like up and down para pulma yung ano niya sa grinding twist. Pabago-bago yung ano sa grinding twist. Okay. 5 to 10 minutes. Ganyan. Depende lang kung gaano ka gaspang yung valve seats na. Pag gaspang masyado, siguro mga 5 minutes ako siya. Kasi pagka mano-mano ito, na overlap pa yung mano-mano, nakakapagod. Ito yung pinaka-boring na trabaho, guys. This is the very boring job when you are doing the grinding of valve seats. Overlapping. Okay? Pinaka-boring. So, ngayon, tatanggalin natin. Tingnan natin kung ano ng sitwasyon dito. Okay? Ito na siya. Shiny na siya, super shiny. And then wala ka na makikita mga lubak-lubak dan very very fine, very smooth seats. So we will do the same thing, the same procedure. 16 valve in here, so we're gonna do 16 as well, as you can see. And then very shiny, it's very shiny actually. Okay, so we're gonna do the next one. This is this one. Ang inuuna po natin yung exhaust, exhaust side ang inuuna natin. Okay, so again, kung saan nakasit up yung kanyang valve injector, doon nyo din ilagay. Okay, natin ang mineral oil ito, guys. Tawag nito you have no use cooking oil at the moment, sunflower oil, just to keep the thing lubricated on the valve guard. So we're gonna do the next one. This is this one here. Still we're not jumping, still on the process of the valve settings, valve seats, overlapping. This is the exhaust side here. Okay, yes. So this is ang ibibira natin because this is yung pinaka unang tirada, the first binding piece that we're going to use. Timer natin 5 minutes. So pagka inad nung mag-overlap kayo nito by hand, napakapagod. Pagod na kayo. So gagamitan nyo ng cordless screwdriver, screw, pagka pero ko alalay lang talaga dahil pag sobrang lakas hindi niya makontrol yung maghihiwalay po siya, hindi siya didikit. Ito kasi siyang rubber, nag-create ng vacuum yan sa pinaka-surface ng valve, no? So vacuum lang siya. Naging medyo lumiwanag na siya, naging shiny, no? So once naging shiny, and then punusan natin, and then tapos nito shiny na siya. Ang ititira natin ngayon is yung fine grinding fish. It's not really bad, so malalam, huwag niyong hayaan na yung grinding fish is pupunta dito sa may ganyan rat. Kasi pagka nalagyan ng grinding fish ito, hindi maganda dahil ito po yung ano sa kanyang valve guide. So luluwang po yung kanyang valve guide kung malagyan ito ng grinding fish ito. Never put grinding fish here. Okay, just here only on the valve seats where the mating surface is required to be clean, no? So gagamitin natin ito. Ito na yung fine grinding fish. Okay, fish. Really takes time to guys. So kukuha lang tayo ng video nito kung paano natin ginawa yung ating valve overlapping ng kanyang valve seats, no? Gamit yung ating machine na drill. Cold grease. Inaano natin dito, once na mag-sit up na siya, like mag-marriage na siya, very good, marriage together, airtight. So subukan natin lagyan ng tubig ito, and then i-blow natin ng air. Titingnan natin kung may leaking ba. Okay, I think it's 5 minutes now.